Everyone, I am Kritika ma'am. Today I am going to explain you about the science lesson, that is lesson number 1, that is the living world, their adaptation and classification for class 7. As you all know, our world is full of plants or variety of plants which have attractive, colorful, beautiful flowers. Yes, some plants grow in snowy region, some in desert region, and some according to their favorable conditions. Yes, some plants are microscopic one which we cannot see through our naked eye. Some plants are huge in size, they are unicellular, means they are single celled organism or single celled plant, and some are multicellular, that means they are made up of many cells. Yes, this is all about plants. Now let us talk about animals. Animals, they also adjust according to their environment. Some animals are aquatic, some are terrestrial, some are amphibian, aerial, etc. So, as I wanted to clear the terms about aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are known as aquatic animals, and the animals that live on land are known as terrestrial animals, and the animals that live both, that is land as well as in water, are amphibian animals, and the animals or the birds that fly in the air are known as aerial. Yes, this is all about animals, and they are also categorized as vertebrates and invertebrates. Yes, my dear students, vertebrates means the animals which have a backbone. They are known as vertebrates, and the animals which lack backbone or which do not have their backbone is known as invertebrates animals. So, as we have variety of plants and animals on the earth, that is why the scientists have classified those plants and animals, because so that their adaptation and their classification becomes easy to study. Yes, my dear students, now we are also going to study about adaptation. Adaptation means the gradual changes of an organism that occurs in their body parts and they try to adjust with the surrounding. Okay, so this is about adaptation, that is the change that they have in their body structure, and also they try to adjust themselves with the surrounding, is known as adaptation. So these adaptations can be seen in some plants, that are the adaptation. Now we are going to study about the adaptation in aquatic plants. Now, as you know, aquatic plants like lotus, duckweed, water hyacinth, these are the examples for aquatic plants. Some are slender, some are thin, some are ribbon shaped, and some float in water, some are submerged, some are rooted in the soil, and they are spongy and soft. Adaptation in desert plants. Yes, these plants are thick, they have waxy stem, they can store water, and even they have spikes on it, that is the thorns, so that they can protect themselves from the animals. Example is cactus. Yes, now we are going to study about the adaptation for ingestion of food. Yes, these plants are pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. They are carnivorous in nature. They try to eat insects with the help of their leaves. They trap the insect in their leaves, so they are known as insectivorous plants. Yes, now we are going to talk about animals, that is the adaptation for aquatic animals. The animals that live in water, that is fishes, whales, shark, etc., which live in water, are known as aquatic animals. Fishes are the good example. As you know, fishes have scales on its body, gills for breathing, and they also have air bladder within their body, so that they can float on water. They also have transparent eyelids. Now we are going to talk about adaptation in grasslands and forest animal. Yes, these animals are carnivorous animals and herbivorous. Carnivorous animals are those animals that eat flesh of the other animal, or flesh eating animals is also known as carnivores or carnivorous animals. Example, lion, tiger, and etc. So these animals, they have a strong legs so that they can run very fast and they can catch their prey or their predator. They have canine teeth, padded paws, and also they have a pointed claws, that is nakhun. Okay. Some are herbivorous animals. Yes, those animals that eat plants are known as herbivorous animals. Yes, these animals are deer, blackbug, etc. They have long tapering legs, and secondly they have freely moving ears so that they can receive sound from all the direction and even from long distances. Third point is they have a very strong canine teeth. Why? Because so that they can eat the tough hard grass, because they are eating hard plant, that is why they are known as herbivores animals. Next is adaptation in animals for snowy region, that live in snowy region. Yes, these animals are yak, Siberian husky dog, goat, that is mountain goat, etc. So these animals live in the cold weather. They have thick fur on their body so that they can protect themselves from this cold weather. They are white and silver in color. Yes, Charles Darwin, he was a scientist and a biologist. Biologist is a person who studies about plants as well as in animals. Yes, he was a scientist and a biologist who suggested that only those plants and animals can survive, those who best fit or adapt themselves to the changing environment. This change or this theory of Charles Darwin is known as survival to the fittest. Yes, now we are going to study about the Carl Linnaeus, that is the scientist who studied or introduced binomial nomenclature. Now, what do you mean by binomial nomenclature? That is the two names given to the living organism, that is the first name and the last name. First name, that is the genus, second name or the last name is the species. Yes, scientific name was given to the living organisms. For example, cow was given a name, scientific name as Bos taurus, humans as Homo sapiens, and jawar as sorghum bicolor. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe my YouTube channel.